what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 200-gram cake from Planet X Fireworks called Euphoria. It is 25 shots. We got this over there at Intergalactic Fireworks in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. Check out this artwork. It's pretty trippy. But here we go. Fall into a euphoric state watching these long burning gold silky willows with color stars and white, green, red, and gold glitter. What a trip. Wow, I'm pretty excited to see this cake. That sounds pretty awesome. Yeah, love the artwork on this one. It's pretty trippy. If you guys like this cake, remember, give this video a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. See you guys.